I'm Kelsey Misseldine, and I'm attorney here at Jackson White. I practice at Eminent domain, which is property rights predominantly, but we also practice commercial litigation. So my dad is a lawyer, and so I was pretty much trained for this my entire life. Didn't know it, but apparently it was teaching me every time that I was having discussions, conversations, any arguments, winning those arguments with my parents, was training me for this future. So eminent domain is essentially the government has the authority to come and take your property. But to do so, they have to pay you just compensation. And so where I come in is it's never just when they offer money. So they will usually offer pennies on the dollar, and our job is to help fight for property owners specifically to get what they deserve. We get appraisers, engineers, work with the actual property owners who see the day-to-day of their property and how this is going to impact their life. Have good legal counsel. The system is set up where they need to pay fair market value. We joke in our practice that if the government ever offered fair market value, we'd have to find a different practice area. Fair is never what you're going to be offered. The government has set it in within limits and boundaries of how they should. Their offers are generally pennies on the dollar initially. And so they count on a majority of property owners don't want to engage. No one wants to fight with the government. No one wants the stress and time and investment into that. If you accept that initial offer, you're missing out on funds that you are legitimately entitled to. And that is what we're here to fight for. I would say I have a pretty unique philosophy because my dad is an eminent domain attorney. The government's taking property. My dad fights to get that money for the property owner. So my comparison is my dad was Robin Hood. My dad would fight the tax collector and get the money for the people who actually deserve it. So I grew up just wanting to be like my dad. I wanted to be Robin Hood. I wanted to help the people get the money that they're entitled to and get it back from the government. The most rewarding part is being able to help the people that saw no hope. They saw the government coming in and taking the homestead they had built for generations in their family. They see their business being impacted. They've had to shut down for 2 years while they've been under construction. They are taking someone's entire business that they built from the ground up, and they think that they just have to roll over and take it. It's not the case.